In 2014, an old farmhouse in western France was being cleared after the owner passed away. What they discovered in the barn behind the house stunned the world: a dusty, forgotten Ferrari 250 GTS WB California Spider, one of only 37 ever made. Covered in years of dust, spiderwebs, and hay, the Ferrari sat untouched for over 3 decades. Alongside it were nearly 100 other classic cars, but this one stood out. It had once belonged to French actor Alain Delon and had completely vanished from public records. The Ferrari 250 GTS WB California Spider is one of the most iconic cars ever made. Built between 1960 and 1963, it was designed for high performance and Hollywood glamour. Celebrities like James Coburn and Steve McQueen own one. This model alone was valued at over $2 million, even in poor condition. The late owner had collected cars quietly for decades, never telling anyone about the Ferrari. After his death, his grandchildren hired an auction company to evaluate the property. The auctioneers were speechless when they opened the barn doors. In 2015, the car was put up for auction by Art Curiel in Paris. Despite its dusty condition and flat tires, it was fully original, matching engine, frame, and interior. It sold for a record-breaking $18.5 million, making it one of the most expensive barn finds ever. The story made international headlines. Car collectors, historians, and the public were shocked at how such a valuable car could go unnoticed for decades. The new owner fully restored it and occasionally shows it at private events. From forgotten dust to an $18 million legend, that's the magic of barn finds. If you love rare car stories like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. More unbelievable discoveries are coming next.